Yep, I'm just sitting here relaxing by the fire. It's safe here to have a fire because it rained all day yesterday. So, not likely to have any issues, but I'm keeping it careful. Had to take most of the piled up half burned wood out of the fire pit. Would be nice if people didn't dump their toilet paper in the fire pit and then not burn it. But hey, here we go. So the wood's a little bit on the damp side when it's burning. Yeah, I did that. Moron before me did that. Don't know why they can't figure out how to build a fire. It's only something people have been doing for thousands of years. Oh well, ain't that lovely? Well, it's started raining now, and it's supposed to rain all the way through tomorrow. We'll see how long this fire lasts. The wood's already pretty wet. The sound of the rain coming down sure is nice, though. Standing here underneath the tarp. I should have set this up yesterday, but I didn't. Because it rained all day yesterday. But we'll see how long this fire lasts. I'm not going to go crazy trying to keep it going in the rain. Oh, there we go. That's my campfire out here in the Oregon forest. Well, we'll see how it goes. But for now, I'm out of here. I'm going to grab a beer, Sit back, relax, watch the fire. And then maybe, who knows? Ain't that just lovely? Alright, I'm out of here.